The beauty of a woman is not only showcased by how beautiful she looks when you stare at her face or her physique, not by the fitted designer clothes she wears or by her expensive Brazilian bone straight wig. The beauty of a woman is also showcased by her intellect, her intelligence, how good her heart is in helping those in need, how confident she is to take the stage and glide with ease in front of thousands of people, by how happy she feels inside to keep that smile on her face for a whole night, even when some people in the crowd will be crying her down with hateful words. How selfless she is in putting others first, just to see a smile on their faces. How strong and steadfast she is in moving past all the pain she feels when those tears comes rolling down her cheek. The beauty of a woman can never be measured, weighed, understood, or defined. The beauty of a woman is limitless. The beauty of a woman flows like a rural stream, serving all the needs of its people at once. The beauty of a woman can never be documented, as it's unwavering. The beauty of a woman is uncanny, as it attracts your deepest desires. The true beauty of a woman is reflected in her soul. For there liveth a woman that wears her crown of love, pain, misfortune, growth, regrets, and happiness, and does so with utmost pride and strong will. For she believes that her true self is not defined by what she has been through, but by who she sees herself to be and who she chooses to be. For she will continue to love and accept herself as she is, for she is the custodian of love, joy, and happiness, as she is in this world to live, love, succeed, and multiply. And she has done all of those things beautifully.